Hello judges, this is Tammy Hang video 6 of my acne case study with Owen. My primary goal was reduce active inflammation from papules and pustules, clear congestion safely, address post-inflammatory red and brown pigmentations, and strengthen the skin barrier without trigger further breakouts. My intentions to pick out the ingredients to work with my inflammations was copper peptides for healing, fibroblast media, help repair healing signals. Resorcinol is the lighting ingredients, help break down the congestions within follicles, address uneven skin tone, pigmentation, and support. I chose the kozic acid to help with the melanin. The iosinate cause both red and brown pigmentation without the irritation. CoQ10 to provide antioxidants. B5 maintain the barrier and hydration. Botanical to reduce the inflammatory, which is turmeric and ginger. Special pro-cell therapy serum include with the growth factor, peptides, cytokines, and multiple vitamin essential nutrients. Skin tone, textures, firmness, and best with the scar. All of these ingredients work best with microchanneling to help restore the communication, promote healthier and stronger skin. Finally, the formulation base include soothing botanicals like aloe, chamomile, calendula, and witch hazel, which control hydrogen peroxide to support the oxygen and exfoliation without overwhelming the skin. Treatments address acne from multiple angles: inflammation control, congestions clearing, regulation, and barrier support. Make it safe, effective, and appropriate to adolescent acne.